Reservists of Ukrainian troops were found as having gathered in the forest belt, and Russian forces did not give them a chance, immediately sending in attacks to force them to abandon their defensive lines. Update to July 2, 2024. Russian troops advanced north of Kanal Microdistrict, located within the forest plantation area, and have now reached a wide front towards the main Ukrainian canal crossing to Chasov Yar, which is fortified by Neo-Nazi Kraken. Ukraine continues to try to fight back against Russian armed forces' artillery and grenade attacks, but their work continues to cost them, and retreat is always the final option. The footage shows the work of Night Wolves UAV squad of the International Brigade 15, identifying and destroying their positions, which are now under the control by Russian soldiers. In addition, the ship RBU-6000 rocket bomb launcher of the anti-submarine missile system RPS mounted on a truck chassis works on them. Ukrainian reserves concentrated in the forest belt. It is unclear whether the RGB-60 anti-submarine rocket launched had been modified for land attacks. Additional strikes by the weapon, however, could replace BM-21 Grad rocket launcher system, which is normally deployed for combat duty. This rocket launcher is guaranteed to cover enemy positions with its good shrapnel, accuracy of arrival, and resulting fire impact. The days of Ukraine around Microdistrict were very tiring. Some of their large fortified territories were taken by Russia. The Ukrainian Nazi battalion Kraken fled its position at Chasov Yar before regular units arrived. A militant, Valentin Gridney, was declared as Ukrainian prisoner of war, and he said everything.
В основном штурмового характера.
Почему на второй линии обороны стояли?
Почему на второй? Говорит, мы на закрепе не стоим. Если нам нужна какая-то работа, мы пойдем штурбаном и все, сразу же обратно. Откатываемся, а вы занимаете позиции. У них такая задача была.